Assalamu alaikum class 5, welcome back to our computer class. First of all, I want to appreciate some students who answered the previous wrap-up question in the comment section. And there are a lot of students, but they did not mention their names. So please mention your name in the comments so I will know who answered the question or not. So there is only one student who write his name, and he is Ibrahim Gilani from 5B1. So well done for all of you and the other students who did not mention his or her name. Very well done that you answer the question in the comment section as I asked. So keep it up. If you want your name to be announced, always answer the wrap-up question in the comment section. So I will announce your name and appreciate to all of you. Before starting our today's lesson, let's quickly revise what we learned yesterday in the previous lesson. So you have to recall this question. So the first one is, what is web browser? Okay. After that, the second one is, name any two example of web browsers. And the third one is, what do we use a browser for? Okay, if you can answer all of these questions, then I think your concept is clear for the from the previous lesson. So let's start today's lesson, our chapter number 3, that is searching on internet, and today's subtopic is SEO and its advantages. Okay, we will learn today what is SEO, and after that what is the full form of SEO, and the last one is what are the advantages of the SEO. Okay, so in this class we will learn about all of these concepts. So the first one is, what is SEO? SEO hota kya hai? We will learn first about that. So before starting what is the SEO, the first question arises in our mind is, what is the full form of SEO? SEO की full form क्या है? We will learn about it first. Okay, so S stand for search, E stand for engine, and O stands for optimization. Okay, so SEO stands for search engine optimization. Okay, so the full form of SEO is search engine optimization. If I asked what is the full form of SEO, then you have to say search engine optimization. Okay, and after that, what is the definition of SEO? What is the purpose of SEO? What is SEO? Okay, SEO hota kya hai? We will learn about it now. So it is a process. SEO is a process that is used to improve the visibility of website in search engine like Google. So SEO क्या है? It is basically it is a process. ये एक process होता है that is used to improve the visibility of a website in a search engine. For example, if you search something on the Google, आपने गूगल पर कुछ चीज को सर्च किया है, you see that there are a lot of website. If you scroll it down, there are a lot of websites, but on the first page there are only 1 to 3 website, top 2 or 3 website. How the Google decided that these 3 website is on the top of your searching, कि ये जो 3 या 4 वेबसाइट है ये आपकी टॉप लिस्ट पर शो होंगी. हाउ द गूगल डिसाइडेड, गूगल इसको कैसे डिसाइड करते हैं? बिकॉज द वेबसाइट दैट हैज द ग्रेट और गुड SEO, जिसकी सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन बेस्ट होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी होती है, इट इज़ ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द सर्च लिस्ट. आपकी सर्च लिस्ट की वो टॉप पर होती है. ओके, सो बेसिकली SEO क्या करती है? इट इम्प्रूव द विजिबिलिटी ऑफ वेबसाइट इन द सर्च इंजन. आपकी जो वेबसाइट है, अगर तो आप उसको टॉप पर शो करना चाहते हैं, इसकी विजिबिलिटी को सबको शो करवाना चाहते हैं एट द टॉप ऑफ योर सर्चिंग, सो वी यूज द SEO प्रोसेस. ओके, हम किसको यूज करते हैं? वी यूज द SEO सिंपली. एंड द थर्ड पॉइंट, Okay, in a simple word, SEO helps a website appear higher in the search result. SEO क्या करता है? It helps to show your website, to show your website on the top of your search results. Okay, आपकी जो search result है या search list है वहाँ पर top पर show करवाने के लिए we use the SEO. Okay. After that we'll learn about it with the help of example. If you search best chocolate cake recipe, the website that come on the top have the good SEO. So if I copy this one and paste it into the search bar of the Google, so look at here, there are a lot of websites. Okay, you can see there are a lot of websites that show this that show the result about the best chocolate cake recipe, but there are one or two websites that show on the top of your page, the first page. This is your first page, and there are 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there are 7 or 8 websites that show on your first page. So why only these websites are only shown on the website first page? Because the SEO of these website is better than the other websites. That's why it's shown on your the first page of your searching list. Okay, so I hope you understand what is the purpose of SEO and why we use the SEO, because it increase the visibility of your website if we use the good SEO, search engine optimization. Okay, so after that we learn what are the advantages of SEO. SEO के advantages क्या होते हैं? Because हमने first read किया है what is the full form of SEO, that is search engine optimization. After that we learn the definition of SEO, that is it is a process that helps to increase the visibility of your website in the search list. Okay, after that we learn that it helps to show your website on the top of your page. Top of your page, which page? Your result page, your output page. Okay, so because the website whose SEO is good is on the top of your search list. Now we will learn about the advantages of SEO, advantages of search engine optimization. Okay, so the first one is more visitor. How more visitors? SEO helps more people to find a website. For example, you search something on the Google or your YouTube, then it is a human nature that he or she will click on the first page that appear on your top search list. Okay, वो हमेशा human क्या करते हैं? Always prefer the first page, the first output of the result. Okay, because we think that it is better than other results because it is on the top of the page. That's why the websites or the videos that are on the top of the page, that are on the top of the results, we mostly people visit that website or that videos because it is on the top of the page. Okay, so the websites, the videos that has a good SEO, it helps to find the more people to visit that website. Okay, after that there is a second advantage, that is save money. SEO, how SEO save the money? Because it is cheaper than paid advertisement. अगर आप कोई ad अपनी website की launch करते हैं, then you have to pay more because you create the ad for that websites. But if you increase your search engine optimization, then it is cheaper than the advertisement. Okay, so basically SEO is also saving your money. ये आपकी क्या कर रही है? Money को भी save कर रहा है. If your SEO is good, then you don't need to pay a lot of money on the advertisement. Okay, so it is the second advantage of search engine optimization. The third one is trust and credibility. So websites that appear on the first page look more trustworthy. So okay, this is the third point, that is trust credibility, that if the page is shown on the top of the website, then that we think that it is the most trustworthy website for all of us, so we go and visit that website only because it is on the top of the page, top of the search list. That's why we visit that website, because we trust on the things that are on the top of the list or the top of the page. Okay, so this is the third advantage of search engine optimization. After that, the fourth point is better user experience. ठीक है, better user experience, SEO improves how a website looks or work. अब if we for example you have seen that the website that are on the top of the page mostly are better user experience. वहाँ पे क्या होते हैं, it is more more efficient than the other websites that are in the lower of the search list, bottom of the search list. So the websites that has the search engine optimization, good search engine optimization, it improves the website looks and works for the user experience. User can there are a lot of reviews from the users that is better than the other websites. Okay, so SEO improves how a website looks and work. Okay, so they are the we learn about the four advantages of the search engine optimization. The first one is more visitor. If the web search engine optimization is good, then there are more visitors. You can save your money instead of making advertisement and spend more money on the ads. It is cheaper to use the search engine optimization. Okay, after that, the third point is trust and credibility. The website that appear on the top of the page is known as the most trustworthy websites. Okay, after that, the last point is better user experience. It gives you the better user experience if the SEO is good. Okay, now we'll read about SEO in our daily life. When we search for school bags near me, SEO decided which shop website showed first. Okay, for example, if you search on the Google map the school bags near me, or on the Google school bags near me, so it will show you the area, the shops that is the nearest to your location. Okay, आपकी जो location के nearest shop होंगी, that is relevant to the school bags, then the SEO show it to you. वो आपको वही शो करवाएगा on the top of the page. Okay, and the second one is even YouTube video use SEO to appear in search result. आपकी जो YouTube वीडियो है वो क्या करता है, SEO helps you to appear the website that is related to your keywords, or that is good in user experience, that has most trustworthy website. It decided the websites, the YouTube videos, and appear it on the top of the search list or the output. Okay, so in our daily life we can use SEO on the YouTube mostly, because we most of the students use the YouTube to search a lot of websites, videos for your study. So so you can understand it with the help of YouTube, because whenever you search something on the search bar of the YouTube, so it will give you the best videos on the top, and after that the videos that are less views and not good as much the other one, it will on the bottom of the search list. Okay, so this is for today's lesson. Let's wrap up this lesson first. Okay, so first we learn about the what is SEO. So SEO stand for search engine optimization. Then we learn about the definition for it. It is a process that is used to improve the visibility of website. Okay, so it is a process used to improve the visibility of website in the search engine like Google. ये एक प्रोसेस है जो आपकी विजिबिलिटी वेबसाइट की शो करता है इन द सर्च इंजन. And SEO helps, simply SEO helps a website appear higher in the search result. ये आपकी वेबसाइट को शो करता है on the higher of the on higher or the top of the page. If the SEO is good, then your website appear on the top of the page. Okay, after that we learn it about with the help of example. We write best chocolate cake recipe on the Google, and after that there are a lot of websites, but on in the first page they are only 7 to 8 I guess website that appear in the first page. Means these website has the good SEO than the other website that is not mentioned in the first page. Okay, so after that we learn about the advantages of SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. The advantages are more visitor, save money, trust and credibility, and better user experience. Okay, if we have the good SEO website, then it will be on the top of the page, and more of the people visit this website because it is most trustworthy and better user experience. And after that it is cheaper than the paid advertisement that helps to save our money. Okay, after that we learn SEO in every daily in our daily life. Okay, so the YouTube is example of using the SEO in our daily life. After that the Google Map is also an example of SEO daily life, or on the Google if we search something, some shops that is mentioned near me, it is also using SEO for us. Okay, so these are the wrap up question. The first one is, what does SEO stands for? SEO ki full form. What is the full form of SEO? You have to answer this question in the comment section. After that, the second one is give one advantage of SEO. You have to write the one advantage of SEO and why, how. Then you have to write it. Okay, in your own word, why is SEO important? You have to write it. After that, the fourth question, open Google and type best kids shop shoes online or healthy recipe, and then you will see there are a lot of website, but there are only few websites on the first page of the Google. Okay, because why only few website on the first page? Because these has the good SEO. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. And please write your name in the comment section if you answered this question, and don't forget to write the wrap up question. It shows your work that you do in today's lesson. So okay, that's all for today's lesson. Allah Hafiz.